Hi, this is Aman Kapoor, your insurance guy, and today I'm going to actually talk about a few things about life insurance that most people know about. And I'm going to very quickly, very briefly, seamlessly highlight those 4, 5 points that we all know about life insurance. So when we talk about life insurance, we know about life insurance. Why? Because we know about these 3, 4 things. And what are those 3, 4 things? Generally, I'm going to tell you. But the story, the knowledge, the information, the validation, the detail about life insurance does not end at these 3, 4 things. It's actually only the beginning. It's what we know about life insurance, mostly what we know about life insurance is just the beginning, because at the end of the day, it's a huge ocean of knowledge. And why do I say it's an ocean of knowledge? Is because our lives are also quite complex and complicated. If we are business owners, if we are owners of fixed assets, if we are, head of a family with loved ones and our children are expected to go to university, and if we have responsibilities, and if we have a tax liability, and if we have an intergenerational rollover of wealth liability, if we have all these important questions, if we have partners in our business, if we are a key person in a business, all these things create a reason for us to look at insurance planning. And therefore, the knowledge or the information about life insurance is very vast. And in my insurance review sessions, I address the elements of that contribute to the vastness of information in the world of insurance planning. So it is that vast knowledge that I will actually pull out and discuss with you and share with you and address how that can be best used for for the meeting of your objectives. But let's very quickly mention 4, 5 things that most people know. I'm sure you all know that life insurance is a policy that would pay out to the beneficiary of the individual who's insured when that individual passes away. Absolutely correct. So it is a payout upon death to your beneficiary, and that beneficiary could be a loved one, could be a spouse, could be a child, could be a parent, could be a business partner, could be your firm, could be your employer, could be whoever holds an insurable interest on your life. That we all know, most of us know. We also know that taking life insurance when we are younger is a lot cheaper than taking life insurance when we are older. Absolutely right. But it doesn't end there. Why? Because young or old is it's very abstract. Longevity of life has been growing in the last few decades, and therefore it is important to understand that we may be perceiving a certain number to be old age, but that might not be. So many times people tell me at 65, oh, I'm already 65 years old. I don't think I'm too old for this. I'm too old for life insurance. Well, not really. Why? Because you are very easily insurable. Okay, so, but yes, the older you are, the higher is the cost. The younger you are, the lower is the cost. That is a known fact. But there is lots that one needs to kind of explore to be able to address this question. Then we also know that if you are a smoker, your cost of insurance is going to be higher than if you are a non-smoker, your cost is lower. Absolutely true. Smoking is considered to be a very big deterrent, and it also creates it elevates the level of risk in insuring you. So therefore the cost of insurance is much higher if you're a smoker, and than, of course, if you're a non-smoker, your cost is way lower. Everything else remaining constant. So yes, we all know this. We also know that male cost of insurance or cost of insuring a male is higher than the cost of insuring a female. In the mortality tables, the risk, the longevity of life for women is longer than the longevity of life for males. So obviously, if the age is the same and the health is the same, the cost of insurance for a male is higher than the cost of insurance for a female. We all know this. We also know that health has a role to play, and this is a huge topic. Somebody can say, "Oh, I'm unhealthy." Why? Because I probably have some cough and cold. Well, that may not be a very big reason for you to not get insurance. So it's very important to understand what in the name of health or what in the name of a disease or an illness can be an obstacle in your being able to get life insurance, and what impact would that have in your rates, in your getting of life insurance, or in the limitations of your policy. Those are few elements which most world know about. But as I said, this is only the tip of the iceberg, because there is so much more to know, especially when we look at the applications or the use of life insurance in our life. It's where we and how we use life insurance as a tool, as a financial planning solution, is the reason why we need to know more. And that is what I specialize in. I specialize in making people understand the multiple and the more complex applications of life insurance, most simplified for you, so that you can use them and not get intimidated or overwhelmed and therefore alienated from it. No. We are here to offer you the possibility of doing an insurance policy review, where I will personally review your needs and I will offer you solutions which will be of value to you. Please feel free to reach out to me, and I will be happy to set up a time to speak to you electronically or over the phone. Thank you very much, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.